Welcome to Kate Sparks Creativity. This month I am involved in a Artsy Collage Fodder Swap on Jennibellie's journal workshops. And I thought I would just give you a quick peek at what I made. I had to make about 25 pieces of collage fodder to send to another art journaler. And I think I did a pretty good job with the prompt. I have different styles. This one is all paper piecing with art papers and washi tape. And then I did the edges with fancy scissors. These pieces are watercolor with ephemera on them, and then I did fancy scissors around the edges. These are more paper piecing. This was from a project I was going to make in February. I was going to make a heart-shaped book, and then I just kind of got tired of making it. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, so I repurposed it and cut it into little pieces. And then I have some flower ephemera. I do a lot of flower doodling, if I doodle at all. I have some pieces over here that have stamps on them and peacock feathers and bugs and mushrooms. I thought altogether these came out pretty good for an evening session of making art. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do, and then it just started coming together, which is nice. If you enjoyed this video and want to know how to get involved with art swaps, I will leave a link to Jennibellie's journal workshops in the description below. Thanks for watching.